Chicago heating repair. Found a furnace with a manifold disassembled, and this is working intermittently because of a bad flame sensor. I tested this previously. Also, the inducer is kind of making a little bit of a sound, just turned off. But the customer is aware that could be an issue in the future. Who knows when that's happening? Hard to say. So that's it. We need to replace the flame sensor. Chicago heating repair 773-330-3689.